In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client portal outside of ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a simple, shareable client portal set up in the right place and ready to send to your clients. First, open your ClickUp account and sign in. Start by choosing exactly where this portal should live. In ClickUp, that's your space. Click the space where you want the portal to live so everything stays organized and your clients can find what they need in one place. Picking the correct space up front helps keep permissions, views, and tasks neatly grouped. Next, look for the 3 dots menu for that space. Click it, then choose Templates. This opens the template library, which is the fastest way to set up a client-ready structure without building from scratch. In the search field, type the word client. You'll see relevant templates appear, designed for client-facing setups and workflows. Select the client template to open its details. Take a quick look at the overview so you know what's included. When you're ready, click Use Template. You'll be prompted to name your new setup. Enter something clear and recognizable, like Client Portal. Then click Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will now add the template to the space you selected. This might take a moment, especially the first time you use it, so let it finish importing everything. Once the template is added, your client portal structure is in place. You can keep the default layout or personalize names and descriptions later, but you don't have to do that now. What matters next is making it accessible to clients outside of your workspace. Find the Share button in the portal area and click it. This is where you decide how to share it externally. Depending on your plan and settings, you can typically generate a shareable link or invite people directly. Choose the option that fits your workflow and client expectations. Keep in mind that sharing makes content visible outside your workspace, so make sure you're comfortable with what's included before you send it. That's it. Open your ClickUp account, pick the right space, use the client template, name it Client Portal, and share it. You've created a client portal outside of ClickUp that's easy to access and straightforward for clients to use. If you ever need to adjust what's visible, you can always return to the same space and update the portal's content and share settings later.